Salaah is the best example of universal brotherhood. What is the implication in our life of this Tawheed? Our Prophet said, when you stand for Salah, stand shoulder to shoulder. So when we Muslims stand for Salah, whether black or white, yellow or brown, rich or poor, king or pauper, when you stand for Salah, you stand shoulder to shoulder. Universal brotherhood. Feet to feet and shoulder to shoulder. Imagine it removes the barrier of racism, of wealth, of color, black or white, yellow or brown, rich or poor. This is the implication of Tawheed in your life. For more details, you can refer to my talk, Salah, the programming towards righteousness. Because every aspect you can speak for us together. And I've been giving 1 hour to speak on all the implications of Tawheed, which is next to impossible. I'll just scratch the surface of some of the aspects.